Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Femi Olaniyan. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell your crypto and how to withdraw your money directly to your bank account from Roqqu. It is actually very easy and I'll be showing you here in this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make content on personal finance, cryptocurrencies and the stock market. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Just please like this video and subscribe. Now to how you can sell your crypto on Roqqu and even withdraw your money directly to your bank account. This is one question that I get almost every day, so I've decided to make a video on that. Now once you watch this video today, make sure you share to your friends that are having problems with Roqqu. Now the first thing you have to do is to just look at the menu or the icons you have up here. You have deposit, buy or sell, withdraw, transfer, coin swap, price alert, airtime, etc. Now the one we are dealing with, since we want to sell our crypto, we just click on buy or sell. So once you click on buy or sell, you click on instant sell your digital currencies for fiat. So once you click on that, let's say for example I want to sell my ETH, some part of my ETH. I have 18,000 naira worth of ETH. So let me say I want to sell just 10,000 naira. This 10,000 naira. How much would you like to sell? So I'll enter 10,000 naira, proceed with sale. So 1 ETH at blah blah blah. So I'm selling 0.00745 ETH. Service charge is 204 naira. Then I'm going to get 10,000 naira in my bank account. That's the meaning. So I'll click on accept. Then so I'm going to enter my pin. So you can say sale successful, continue. So as you can see, I already have your balance. Before it was 1 naira, but now it's already 10,001 naira. So let's say I want to withdraw my money directly to my bank account. Let me tell you something, guys. The minimum withdrawal to your bank account is 50,000 naira on the app. Currently now is 50,000 naira. Before it was, I think, on 10,000 or 5,000 naira, I can remember. They've already increased it to 50,000 naira. So you can see I can't withdraw money now because I have less than 50,000 naira. But I will show you how you can withdraw directly to your bank account in case you have more than 50,000 naira and you want to withdraw. So you click on withdraw here. And then these are the different ways you can withdraw your money: TV subscriptions, electricity bills, buy data, airtime recharge, withdraw to bank account, withdraw to wallet, fastest. So you click on the bank account, then you click on the amount you want to withdraw. So let me say I want to withdraw 10,000 naira. I don't have it's 50,000 naira I'm supposed to enter, but I don't have up to 50,000 naira. So you can see this is your account number. You must have entered your bank details in the settings of your app, in your profile. So I click on that, then you can see 10,000 naira, withdrawal charge 0, withdraw now. So once I click on withdraw now, we enter my pin. Once you enter your pin, you see complete. Then I think it will bring your notification or something. So you can see minimum bank withdrawal is 50,000. Use wallet withdrawal for lower limit. So you can see that pop-up stuff that came up now. So that is how you can withdraw your money. So once you enter your pin, then your money will be sent directly to your bank account in less than 5 minutes. Yes, guys, in less than 5 minutes. So that is how you can sell your crypto on Roqqu and even withdraw your money directly to your bank account. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and please share this video with your friends.